A golden desert under the setting sun. Dust swirls in the distance. The roar of an engine cuts through the silence. In a land where the sun never sets and the mountains hold ancient magic, rides a legend forged from steel, scales, and something more. A close-up of dusty claws gripping chrome handlebars. Leather goggles flash. It's not a man. It's not a beast. It's a mystical armadillo. Silver scaled with glowing runes etched into his shell, revs up a black and